Hi everyone, this is Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. and we're doing two things that I've never done before, ever. One is using Chromacryl white for the first time. This was recommended to me by Nate Bright Art Studios. He really likes it, so I'm going to try it because I've kind of lost my confidence with the Artist Loft soft body. The other thing that we're going to do is a wing pour. I've never done a wing pour, and that's what's wonderful about the Nate Bright Art Lab Patreon group. He gives us challenges, and sometimes there's something that everybody has done before, other times there's something that nobody has done before. And this is one of those things where I have never done it before. I don't think I've done a waterfall. I can't remember if I've done a waterfall pour or not, but I've never done a wing pour, and we're going to try it. And no, I did not study and do my homework before, so we're just kind of, we're winging it. How's that? I've got a split cup here, and in the middle chamber we're going to put the red, and then on the two sides of the red, I kind of want to put the white because I would like kind of a gold outline around the wings, but I think I'm going to put the gold next to the red because I don't really want my white to turn pink. And then yeah, we'll put the white on the outside. Yeah, okay. It's going to turn pink either way because they're going to have the Bordeaux base paint down, so I don't know. We'll see when I get to it. We'll see. Like I said, we're winging it. Haha. Okay, so you know that my white is the Chromacryl white medium body student acrylic, and to this I am trying something else new. So 3 new things. 3 times the charm for me. 3 is my lucky number. So hopefully this was good. This is a good omen. I am using the DecoArt Americana Metallics bright metallic paint in place of the Vallejo Pearl Medium, because I want this to kind of get that cloud effect look. Okay, so and when I do my cloud effects, I use Tiffany's recipe from Willie B Studios, and this is in her recipe. So yeah, we're switching it out. Nate uses the matte metallics in pearl as a replacement for the Vallejo when he does his cloud pearl pours, and it works really good. I don't have the matte metallic, but I have the bright metallic, and I gotta tell you, once you see them side by side on a stick, you're gonna go, whoa, that looks pretty darn close to each other. So yeah, here, let me put this stick in here. Okay, so this is the DecoArt bright metallic pearl. Okay, and then alongside it I'm going to put some of the Vallejo pearl medium. There we go. Can you see that? Are we getting a good look at this? Look at that, almost the same consistency, color. So yeah, fingers crossed that this works just as well, and you guys can kind of start maybe trying and experimenting with this on your own at home too, for those times when you can't get a hold of the Vallejo Pearl Medium. I know I have got a bottle on back order from Blix also. So I, just as much as any of you out there, want to find a good replacement. So yeah, that is what we're going for. Now, oh, this color, my base coat, is Arteza Bordeaux Red. I absolutely love this. So there we go. And my consistencies are kind of mound on a mound, and it definitely leaves a trace. You can see that. Okay. So yeah, and I'm going to tilt my canvas a little bit with just an empty jar of the DecoArt. It's up on push pins already, but I guess we need kind of an angle. So hopefully you can see this okay. And yeah, now to layer the cup. I don't want red coming out immediately, so I'm going to put less of that in than I am my white and my red. So my cup is filthy, I know. I never get it in the water in time and soak it real good in the lukewarm water like you're supposed to. So yeah, bad Julie, bad Julie. Here we go. And I'm just gonna go, there we go, about halfway up. Because I want that kind of coming down through the center towards the end, I think. I don't know, I've never done this. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking myself out, man. All right, gold or white next to the red. What are we gonna do? I say we go with the white. Right? Let's live dangerous lives. Let's live dangerous lives. We're gonna sandwich that red in between both of these whites. Both chambers on either side, white. And want to fill them up equally. This is a more precision type of painting. Come on, get in there. Okay, there we go. Ah, no, don't go in the gold side. Okay. Okay, there. Oop. And sure enough, I got a little bit of white in my red. Doggone it. All right, here we go. Nothing's ever really perfect, right? Okay, now let's put gold in on both sides of the outer chambers. If you're wondering, I got the split cup as a gift, but it is a Mixed Media Girl split cup. So if you would like to get one, go check out mixedmediagirl.com and see if Marcy's got any more of these in stock. Okay, oh boy. I'm gonna set that aside. I'm gonna thin this down and make a base coat out of it. Okay, here we go. I've got it tilted. Yeah, you can see it's tilted. Holy cow. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, wish me luck. I'm going to pour it towards me and just kind of do a straight pour. Sorry if you're not gonna really be able to see what's going on. Let me see if I can move my camera angle a little bit better. There we go. Hopefully you'll be able to see in the cup a little bit better. I hope. I don't know. I'm really nervous. Super nervous. Okay, I've moved my overhead camera a little bit more, so hopefully you can see the cup as I pour it. I want to get that center because that will help me as a source. This little cup right here. Okay. And, oh boy. Here we go. Deep breath. And I think I have too much paint. Alright, I'm going to start at the very tippy top of this painting. And just kind of rocking back and forth with my cup. Oh, my red is already starting to come out. Okay, cool. I'm trying to keep it as straight as possible, but I'm shaking to death from nerves. -2 on the dismount. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh boy. Oh, I didn't get a split in the center. What did I do wrong? Am I supposed to pour 2 of these at the same time? 2 cups maybe? I don't know. I don't know. Alright. Oh boy. Here we go. going to stretch them out first, find the way to my paint. Bring it down that way a little bit.
Two hours later.
Okay, this is so not what I wanted. So not what I wanted. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, so far it looks like I got the cloud effect though going with the pearl, so that's a good thing. One good thing came out of this pour. 'It is what it is, okay? Oh my goodness. It is what it is. Hilarious. Well, hey, they can't all be winners, but you got to start somewhere, right? And for my first attempt, I don't think it's that bad. And I really love that DecoArt Americana Bright Pearl worked in the white for that cloud effect. That's what I'm trying to say. Spit it out, Julie. Yeah, it's got some beautiful parts to it and everything, but yeah, as far as the wing pour, that was, you know, it was an attempt. I want to remind you that Just Janice was right before me. Massey Art Studios is right after me, and right after Massey Art Studios is American Fluid Art. She was going to be our special guest last week. Life got in the way, and she's here this week, and we're so excited to watch. Please join us on Saturday for Nate Bright Art's Art Lab Collab, where we will be doing wing pours, and I will hopefully get it right this next time. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.